JDCap26 here, just do tips and repairs, and we're doing hobbies as well. We've got the Infinity Easy Cutting Type A board, and we've been cutting strips off here, and I just scored one. You got to use a very sharp knife, and you have to go, once you start, go straight across, and don't stop. Make sure you keep it in the groove, and use tweezers, and you lift up the piece on the end like this, and you peel it like that. It's pretty cool tool to use. I'm doing this this hat here. I want to make it checkered. Of course, little pieces they'll roll up on you, so you gotta unroll them to apply them. So I did most of the hat here, and this is to one of the models, and I'm going across. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the this top part green, like a very emerald green, and you just see how it's like that, so you can peel them off after. And I'm going to spray this so you get a checkered board pattern on the hat. I saw this on somebody else's model, and I really admired it. I says, I wonder how you do that. So, of course, my good friend Will Patterson, I don't know if he watches my channel at all, but he does airplanes. He loves airplanes. And he had a review on this tool. And I says, wow, that's going to come in handy. That's exactly what I need, you know, to do what I want to do with this hat. See, they just peel off like that. It's pretty cool. And so because of his review, I'm doing a review because I want to show you how I'm applying it to what I want to do in my project. He was using it for masking off for wings and stuff like that in his, I think in his video. So almost done with this, so I'm going to spray this, and probably in another video maybe I'll show you the results of it if I think of it, or I'll post a picture. How's that in the video? I'll post a picture of what it looks like afterwards in this video. So thanks for watching, and you have a great day. Rate, subscribe, and ring the little notification bell, and we'll see you next time.